So, hey guys, it's Pieface, and I'm back with another episode of Redstructions with MetroProductions right here, who's just jumping around, having the time of his life. This is the show where I teach him about Redstone and command blocks and everything. On his channel, I teach him about Redstone, and on my channel, I teach him about command blocks. So this is my episode. We do it every Monday, so go over to his channel. It's in the description to see his episode. So yeah, let's...
Also, you might want to, like, explain some things.
So what happened with last week's episode was I tweeted about it, but it wasn't. I can't really explain that in 140 characters or whatever that is. So I did a little bit of a bad thing. I messed up with the audio, and Fraps wasn't recording external input from my microphone, so yeah, we didn't have my audio from that episode, so we're doing that one again.
Pieface Unpro.
Yeah, I'm a little bit of a pie-face noob.
No longer a pro.
So let's go to the episode, and we'll see you there. So, you may notice now that there are these two doors on either side. One says C for Kid, and the other says I for Ivanor. And each one of these is going to be for a weekly build from one of these two guys. And this one's going to be for command blocks because Kate Ander, and this one's going to be for regular redstone because of Ivanor. So let's push this button and open it on up. You're inside of the button, so I guess you'll push it. And doesn't that look cool? So anyways, let's go into this thing and show it off. Oh, what's going on? This is Edward. I'm gonna kill Edward. Oh no, I got down to one heart. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it, Bobby. It's it. Okay, I literally had my cursor over the creative mode button in my inventory, and you hit me at the same time.
Ow!
Yeah. Okay.
Do you really want to go like this at men? You want to go to the arena map? I will kill you.
I don't.
We already.
Yeah. All right. So that was fun. And I got a chest. Doesn't do anything.
No! I was gonna yap you before you could do it. Dang it.
Yeah. Okay
Ah.
then. So this, yeah, that was fun. Now let's show off what are we doing this week. We are, God. I was in my search function in my inventory and I was pressing all the buttons. So this week we're gonna show off 3 commands: give, well, these 3: game mode, game rule, and difficulty, and fill. So we are gonna start out with give, and give is a command that adds an item to a player's inventory. Just adds it wherever there's space. So I'm gonna type a basic command, so like give, and then you give the target at P or whatever, and then the name of the item. So it always starts with Minecraft because they've changed that. Minecraft colon, let's see, one of these, because that's OP, and then it goes to a quantity, so how many it is, and then just a data tag, so that could be anything. So I'm gonna put 0 for now, but I may change that later. And then let's just get a basic button to do this with, and that did not work. Oh yeah. There's no underscore in that name. Bada bing. And that's what that is. And where did Metro go?
I'm somewhere.
Okay.
I'm not skipping class.
You're playing a little bit of hooky, are you? And then you can add an MBT tag to the end of that. So if I wanted to do this, so display. Here's a basic example. And then colon.
Colonoscopy.
Yep. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is pretty good name. And then close both of those brackets because you have to close them. No matter as many left brackets as you have to have the same number of right brackets. So now I have this OP as fuck weapon, and I can change this so it gives me that many. So now I have a stack of them. So you can see how that works. You want to come push this button while you're being killed by lasers?
I'm scared of pressing.
It's literally a give command. I cannot do anything to you with it. that would not be good. See this? OP as fuck weapon.
The brush. They're
Yeah,
useless.
they're OP as fuck. What are you talking about? End game right there. Host privileges. Who hacks? 360. 360 no scope. 360 no scope. What? 360 no scope. Yeah, 360 no snipe. All right. So that's
Like 360 no
that's just a good
brain.
example. You can also give enchantments. You can change like potion effects from a potion. You can give it multiple effects if you want. There's a lot of things you can do with give. You can give player heads actually. Now that I think about it. So if I go over here and do give @p Minecraft skull 1, and then I think it has to be 3 because the data tag for a player head is 3, and then it has to be skull owner, and then the player name. So I can do PieFace Pro and close that bracket, and now he has the head because he did it already, but now he's taken the head.
I've taken your head.
I would like you to please step off of the button so that I could show my viewers, please.
I'm not on the button. I was on top of the...
Actually, maybe that doesn't have to be capitalized.
You idiot.
What the heck come after 6? Oh wait, maybe they both have to be capitalized. I am dumb. Okay. There we go. PieFace Pro's head. I did it, guys. Don't worry. No one fret. Yeah, I see it. Omnicade. Oh snap, wait. Oh snap, what's going on?
That's a beautiful new style you have there.
Wait, but check this out. Alright then. So that's that. So, move on. Moving on. Just gotta get my command block.
No, mine.
Alright. So, the next command that we have is 3 commands that just change how the game works. So, game mode, game rule, and difficulty. So, we're going to start with game mode, which is very simple. So, let me just... There's 4 game modes that you can go through. So, game mode... Control C. Game mode 0. Control V. 1. @p. Control V 2 and 3. So now I'll just walk over these because I'm the one that the perspective is being shown of. So if you could back up so it doesn't target you.
Why didn't you crouch and just do...
Just back up so it doesn't target you. So let's start with 0, which is survival mode. 2 is adventure. 1 is creative mode. 2 is adventure mode, and 3 is spectator mode. So that's that. Slash game rule. Then the next thing is game rule.
Oh!
Game rule. Here's an example. Do mob spawning false. So the game rule command is very simple. So it starts with game rule, and then it whatever rule you want, and then true or false, because it's Boolean, which means it's a true or false thing. So game rule do mob spawning false. If I turn that on, that means that no mobs will spawn naturally, unless you spawn them on purpose. And then let's actually hang on. Let me go.
These are the creeper twins.
An adventure here.
Phil.
Okay,
Bob and
so let's do game rule.
But this is Bob and Phil.
Mob
These are new
griefing.
students.
Let's see. Here's all the game rules. Command block output. That means that all the things that command blocks, whenever a command block successfully performs a command, it won't put a thing in
New
chat.
Bob.
Daylight, could you please? Daylight cycle means that the days and nights won't go between them naturally. They won't. The time of day won't change unless you change it. Entity drops means that nothing will drop an item when you kill it, like a painting or something. Fire tick means fire won't spread. Mob loot means or burnout. Mob loot means that No mobs will drop items when they die. Mob spawning means they won't spawn naturally. Tile drops means that blocks won't drop things when you break them. Keep inventory means you won't lose your items when you die. Log admin commands, I forget what that one is. Mob griefing means things won't blow up blocks when they explode. Natural regeneration means that you won't regenerate hearts naturally. I'll skip this one for now. Random tick speed, no. Reduce debug info means that you'll see like the pie charts and everything if you turn on F3. Send command feedback means that these things in chat won't be there. Show death messages means that you won't see things in chat when people die. So now let's do random tick speed, which is my favorite.
Oh
Let's
God.
get rid of these.
Oh,
I'm not
God,
gonna
no.
do it that fast. I'm not gonna do it that fast because it
Okay.
can crash your server if you don't
Yes,
if you're
yes,
not
it
careful. So let me just do a little bit
My,
of world
my
editing
server
here.
is best. Wait, are you doing Phil?
Well, it's a lot easier if no, I'm just using world edit for this one because I don't want to show off fill yet. / let's set grass, just so I can have this here. Actually no. Dirt. Okay, so we have this big thing of dirt here,
I'm a piece of dirt.
and no grass is gonna spread onto that unless grass is touching it. So if I put this grass outside here, actually wait, let's just fill in this area so that I can just put the grass block in the corner when I need to. If I put grass
Me and Bob are
here,
having
the
staring
grass would
contest?
start. Okay, please. It's fine. If I put the grass block here, then the grass would start spreading, but it would be pretty slow. So if oh no, the grass is spreading anyways.
Yeah. Okay, the only reason why I'm not watching is I've seen this before whenever he messed up. So.
Okay, so if I turn up random tick speed, then it'll be a little faster. / game rule. Random
Well,
tick
Bob.
speed. Random tick speed. 500 should be fine. 500. If I put grass here, it'll spread pretty fast. You can see that.
That sucks. I wanted to put a lead on a creeper.
And like I can do other things, like cactuses and vines and everything will spread really fast. But I can also do something really cool, which is if I get, let's see,
No.
mycelium, and I just put it off to the side here like this, that's not going to spread because grass is already there. But if I set this to dirt, actually, let's put grass off to the other side so that it can compete. So if I set this to dirt right now, set dirt, watch this.
I'm
We'll
watching.
see, watch the dirt under you. We'll see who wins. Oh, dang it, the grass interrupted the mycelium.
Uh-huh.
But if I
Wait, where's Phil?
put mycelium all along this side,
Oh, there's Phil.
and then I do set dirt, watch this. The mycelium is going to spread a little bit slower, but we get this like battle between mycelium and grass.
Mycelium always wins.
Yeah, it's a bit slower.
Mycelium is winner.
So that's random tick speed, and let me take this back down to 1, so it's normal. And then difficulty is really simple. Difficulty is just 0 for peaceful, 1 for easy, 2 for normal, 3 for hard. So that's just simple. We don't need to show that off. So difficulty and then the number. Okay, so now let's do fill. So fill
What?
is a command that lets you specify 2 different
Oh.
areas, like two points, like set block, but instead you specify 2 points and it goes in between those two. So the
thought you were
first
talking about creeper
the
fill.
first fill command is just very simple. So I'll just do a very simple one, fill, and then do a relative command, -2 tilde 1 tilde -2. So that's in the -x and z commands.
Oops.
And then tilde 2 tilde 1 tilde 2. Yeah, Minecraft dirt. So if I activate that, that's just going to set that region above the command block to dirt. So now, if I do...
Hi.
What?
I thought berries are supposed to be invisible.
You can see particles when you have it in your hand. So if you take it out of your hand, they'll go away.
They're not going away.
They don't go away immediately. They're particles, but they will go away.
Okay.
And now when you hold it back in your hand, the particles will show up again.
That's trippy. I never knew that would
Yeah,
happen.
that's how it makes it a lot easier when you place barriers because you'll know where they are. All right. So then there's the replace command. So if you add the tag at the end. So let's do Minecraft stone 0 or 0 0 replace Minecraft dirt. So if I add that tag and then I do 5, if I add that tag and then I build something out of dirt like this, so you see all this dirt stuff I'm making, and then I might add some wood in there. So you see this? You see all this stuff I'm making?
Yeah.
I'm just adding blocks, just random blocks. And now look at the dirt when I add this block here. So only the dirt changes to stone. So it's that replace tag means that only the blocks that it'll fill are the ones that are dirt in that area. And there is a maximum. But here, let me show you something. If I change this to outline and maybe make this glass. So outline means that it'll just do the outer blocks of wherever you're filling, and it won't change the inner blocks. So watch this. Metro.
I'm watching.
Class is
Remember,
going.
I've already seen this.
Okay, you haven't actually, but here we go. And plus you're ruining the illusion, by the way. So now this is outline, so it's only going to change the outer blocks and not the inner ones. But if I change that to hollow, and then I fill it, it will do the outer blocks, but I'll fill the inner ones with air. So that's that.
I can. Wee.
Yeah.
I'm in my cage.
It's 12 years dungeon.
But no.
I sentenced you to 12 years dungeon. Oh no, he's out. I don't remember the lies. This is a killing machine.
I'm stuck.
What are you gonna do? It's a psychopath. You can kill us all. All right. So that's this week on Redstructions. Let me push all these buttons and show you. Bada bing, that's green, and bada bing, bada bing, that's green, and
Hopefully he'll remember to fix the audio this time if he does.
yeah. Well, I mean, the audio was I have to fix the audio before I record, and I did that. So hopefully, or else my Skyrim playthroughs are ruined as well. By the way, Skyrim highlights coming at you. Skylights.
GTA highlights coming out too on my channel with
all right. Well, me too probably. But it's good. So that's this week on Redstructions. Next week, well, I mean this week on Metro's channel. Well, actually that was last week, so I don't need to go over that.
Messed up.
Next week on my channel we'll be doing effect, clone, and replace item. And make sure to go to Metro's channel to see last week's episode and this week's episode. This week on his channel we will be doing tripwires, poppers and droppers, and comparators. So go to his channel. It's comparators.
Comparators.
All right. You sound like an anti-vaccinator. Like clearly you're smarter than the doctors. So we'll just let you. Yeah.
But you're not a doctor.
We should let them not vaccinate their kids, but also we should have them say like, no, you can't like go to the doctor any other time. Like fix your own kid's arm. You're smarter than me, clearly.
Exactly.
So, yeah. See how they like that. Anyways, guys, this has been Pieface. You got anything to say, Metro?
Welcome to the family, Phil and Bob.
All right. And I will see you guys next time.
Bye.